Hi friends and Namaskar. This session we are going to work out for your legs on 4 exercises which will target most of the time your glutes, your hamstring muscle and flexor muscles. So as usual we are going to start with head to toe warm up, 5 Surya Namaskars and 100 Kapalbhati Pranayamas. Again 5 Surya Namaskars and 100 Bhastrika Pranayamas. As usual, this session also we are going to do 30 squats, 30 push-ups and 30 lunges. After this, for this session, there are some warm-up exercises like quadricep pulls. This is quadricep pull alternately for 10 times. Then hamstring stretches alternately again for 10 times. Hip openers alternately 10 times and little kicking butts 10 times. Lastly, calf raises alternately for about 10 times. Friends, this was all for the today's warm up. We'll move on to the second part of dynamic exercises or cardio exercises for the legs. Second part of this session is dynamic exercises for your legs or the cardio. As usual, there are 5 different moves. Out of that, the first move is lunge walk with twist. You have to do 40 repetitions and to be counted on only one leg. Watch me how it is done. Now I am taking left leg forward, going down, twisting, come up. Right leg forward, going down, twisting. This is 1 repetition. Left leg forward, going down, twisting, twisting on the same side. 40 lunges of each leg with twist is the first exercise. The second move is side lunge with squat and you are going to turn around 180 degrees. Watch me how it is done. You are going to take the leg away, go down, squat, come up, turn around for 180 degrees, go down, come up, turn around 180 degrees, come up, like this for 40 times. Second exercise. The third dynamic exercise is duck walks, again to be counted on only single leg, 40 counts. You are going to sit like this, your both hands here, you are just going to walk like a duck. Right, come on, 3 right, come on, 4 right, like this, 40 repetitions for third exercise. Fourth dynamic exercise is frog jumps, again 40 repetitions. Watch me how they are done. You are going to sit with your legs wide, both hands on the floor, you are going to jump like this for 40 jumps. Fifth exercise is stagger leg squats alternate. Watch me in a slow motion how it is done. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. If you want to do it fast, watch me how it is done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20 repetitions, one set, two sets of this. Friends, this all will conclude the session of cardio with these 5 dynamic exercises. Third part of this session, I request you all, if it is possible, put the ankle weights on. We will be doing most of the exercises on force. So there are 5 different exercises to be done on force, and each exercise is coupled with plank jacks. First exercise is, you have to be on force, hands under your shoulders, knees under your hip. Extend your right leg, toe pointing down. You're going to take it up and down like this, totally 40 repetitions. You can do 20 on one side, 20 on other side, twice. This exercise is coupled with plank jacks. You have to be in a plank, low plank. Now slowly out, 1, 2, 3, only 10 jacks. The second exercise is straighten your legs and take the knee close to the opposite elbow and take it away. Close to the opposite elbow and take it away. Close to the opposite elbow and take it away. Again, 20 repetitions on one side, 20 on other side. 2 sets, couple it with plank jacks, 10 only. Third move is knee outs on 4. Watch me how it is done. You are on 4, lift your knee up, 90 degree at the hip and 90 degree at the knee. Take it out slowly and down, up and down, up and down. Extremely good workout for gluteus medius muscle. 40 repetitions. The fourth exercise is 90 degree in the knee. Then your soles are facing to the ceiling or to the sky. You are just going to take it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 20 repetitions on one side, 20 on other. 2 sets, couple it with plank jacks. Last, the 5th exercise is, you are on force. Now you are going to take one leg away like this, and then you are going to lift up and down slowly 20 times and 2 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20 repetitions twice, coupled with 10 plank jacks. Friends, for the calf exercises to be done both together and in sitting position, face to the chair, face to the whatever you have, sit like this. Now here on, you are just going to lift your heels up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 repetitions, 4 sets, 40 calf raises total. Fourth part of this session will include abdominal exercises, stretching, and pranayama and meditation. So, first is abdominal exercises. You have to do 100 repetitions of that. Watch me how it is done. Lie down with your elevated legs like this. Go close. Both the hands on your chest, crossed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 repetitions, 10 sets. After abdominals, we move on to the stretching. First is to stretch your glutes, Kapotasana. On 4, one leg across your body, and you are going to drop. Hold it for 30 seconds. This is first stretch. The second move is Kapotasana with quadricep stretch. For this, you are in Kapotasana. Take one hand front. Now fold the rear leg and hold it and pull it. Hold it for 30 seconds both the sides. The third stretch is runner stretch for the flexors. Giant leap, step forward. Now here you are going to go onto the elbows and hold this position for about 30 seconds. Do it on both the sides. The next stretch is for quadricep. Supta Vajrasana. You sit in Vajrasana position. Go back very slowly and you can lie down like this. Hold it for 30 seconds, which will end up stretching your quadricep muscles. The next stretch is Bhadra Bhunaman, or for the adductor muscles. Put your feet both in Namaskara position, hold it and bend forward, spreading your knees. Hold it for 30 seconds. The next stretch is for IT band. Sit like this. Now turn away your one foot, turn away the other foot and just sit like a child. You will end up stretching your IT band. Sit like this for 30 seconds. This posture is to stretch the soles of the feet and calf muscles. Hanumanta posture to be done on both the sides, holding 30 seconds. Last stretching is for abs, Bhujangasana. Come up and bring up your hip. Hold it for 30 seconds, which will stretch your abdominal wall. After the stretching is over, please try to sit in Padmasana position and do 5 Anulom Viloms. Today or this session, you are going to meditate in Shavasana position. You can count your breaths for 50 to 60 times. Friends, I hope you will enjoy this session. Thank you very much for being with me. This is Dr. Ajinath Kharat for you all. Thank you and Namaskar.